Hey everybody, if you're looking for a great solution for magnesium for your kids, I'd really recommend the CHEWY Magnesium Glycinate Gummies. 120 gummies in a container like this. I have noticed incredible improvement with my kids and sleep and just stress and after a long day. Unwinding at night can sometimes be a struggle for my kids, and this has improved. It took about 2 to 3 days of just taking it regularly. We now, me and my wife give it like maybe a couple times a week to my kids to just help them relax and to calm, but it really helps muscles and that kind of thing. I take these. These are amazing too. I love the flavor. My kids love the flavor. They ask for them. They're vegan, gluten-free formula, gives a lot of peace of mind if you have dietary restrictions or needs. So highly recommend.